everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brandon Henschel. I'm your dance professor and I provide you guys with professional grade dance instruction. Today, you are going to be learning the Fortnite maximum bounce emote. But before we get started, again, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below on your favorite emote or any other emotes that you want me to bring here to this channel. And don't forget, next time you're in the item shop, use code DanceProfessor. Hook up the channel, support your boy. Super appreciate it. All right, you guys ready to learn maximum bounce? Let's do it. Alright y'all, so this is it. This is how you do the maximum bounce emote. This video is flipped, so this is your right hand, this is your left hand, this is your right foot, this is your left foot. You don't have to worry about reversing nothing, just follow me just like this. Now, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start from this position here. You got your arm up like this. It's kind of hard to find the downbeat of the one count, so we're just going to start from here, and it'll look familiar to you, okay? So you're going to pull it down, you're going to bring this hand across, you're going to go like that. Okay, so it's kind of like the whoa. You just pull down your left hand, and when it comes down to here where your elbow comes in, you're going to bring your right hand up, and you got a little hang loose sign with your hand. You're going to go boom, just like that. Then you're going to open up like that. So bend the knee, open up the hands, lean back like this. Okay. Then you're going to bring it back in together. You're going to roll. The knees are going to come out and in. Then from there, you're going to jump onto your left foot, and you're going to go bop, 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 bop. Bop. So left foot first, okay? Left, right, left, then your right foot goes right, left, right. And you'll notice the hands are different there too. The first time they pull down like this, boom, boom. Second time they're gonna go to the front like this, boom, boom, okay? Then you're gonna use your left leg, okay? You're gonna kick forward, you're gonna kick back. That's it. It's a kick forward and back. It's a touch with your foot, okay? And you can't put too much of a vibe in there because it's super duper pooper scooper fast. So don't worry about the vibe. Just get the kick, get the kick. Then from here, you're gonna bring your left knee up. You're gonna go up, down. And when you do that, the leg's going up, your chest is going down. So you wanna crunch and meet it together like that. So you're gonna go touch, touch, crunch, and clap. Just like that. Let's go from the top. Let's put all that together. See how you guys do it. And again, if you need the slower, you need to pause, rewind, go back, watch that over again. Do it. Repetition's your best friend. This one's hard. This one's fast. It took me a day to learn it, so no stress. Just keep doing it over and over again. It's going to go like this. Ready? 7, 8, go. And whoa. Open, close, roll. Bounce on the left foot. Bounce on the right foot. Go. Kick, kick, and hit, clap. This next part's gonna go like this. This one's a little tricky, okay? You have your feet together like this. Look at all this dog hair all over me too. Didn't even realize. All right, you're gonna open up your legs, but this is all about weight distribution, okay? So right now my weight is between both my legs. Now what I want you to do is shift it to the right, okay? And have your weight on your right leg. Open, just like that. It's almost like you're stepping out with that foot, your left foot, but you're gonna open like that, right? Then you're gonna go open, close, go the other way, shift your weight to the left now, open, close. It's not a big shift, it's just where you put your weight on your legs so that you can move the other one. So, you did your clap, your hands are just gonna come up like that, okay? So you did your clap, you're gonna go out, in, just like that. Now do it fast, make it a little smoother. 6, 7, clap, out, in, okay? Then after that, you have slide your foot out, hands come open, you're gonna come together like that. This now goes to another bounce. You're gonna go bounce on your left foot, ball change. A ball change is 2 steps. So you're gonna go bounce, ball, change, bounce, ball, change, bounce, ball, change, bounce, ball, change. You got 4 of those, okay? Go into the left first, do that one more time. Go from here. You did your out, in. Siri's gonna talk to me. One more time, you're gonna go out, in, slide together to go bounce, boom, boom, bounce, boom, boom, bounce, boom, boom, bounce, boom, boom. Notice the arms there too. The first time you're out like this, they come down, and then it's just one hand going back, going back, going back, going back, boom, boom. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna step together with your left foot, boom, roll it out, okay? This is just a simple arm roll. You're gonna start with your wrist. You're gonna go wrist, elbow, shoulder, shoulder, elbow, wrist. Okay, that's a good way of practicing that. One joint at a time comes up. and then you get your arms up here like a motorcycle. So step, roll, roll. You're gonna pop your left elbow first. So left elbow goes up, then the right elbow goes up, then you roll, you go splat like that, okay? Open up the palm, throw it forward, okay? Then you're gonna clap up. This is where we started. You're gonna come down, whoa, open, close, roll, bounce to the front, bounce to the front, go touch, touch, and hit, clap, boom, 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 and hit, bounce, boom, boom, bounce, boom, boom, bounce, boom, boom, bounce, boom, boom, go step, roll it through, elbow, elbow, roll, pop, and boom. Boom, there you go. That's it. That is how you do the Fortnite Maximum Bounce emote. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, comment down below. Let me know if there's another emote you want me to put here on the channel. I do take note, I do read them, and I write them all down. In fact, this one got requested by Top Gun. So thank you, Top Gun, for requesting this emote. Until next time, guys, hashtag, as always, keep dancing. Peace out.